Hi everyone, in this short tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to find wallet address on your Binance account just using your iPhone or Android. So let me find Binance application on my phone, tap on that, and once here you can log in into your account, and after that just tap on wallet's bottom right corner, and now you should choose find an account at the very top, and now once you're here you can scroll down until you find the search icon at the top right corner. Tap on that and type in here name token that you want to deposit on your Binance account. So for example USDT, and tap return. And as you can see, here's my token, and you can just tap on that and tap on deposit button at the bottom right corner. After that, then Binance offer me choose network, and you can choose TRC20 or BNB Smart Chain, etc. I'm gonna choose Tron network, and as you can see, here's my QR code and just deposit address. I can tap on this icon at the right corner and address will be able to copy. And also I can tap on save and share address. That's it. I hope it helps. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up, and also you can watch this new video or this playlist about Binance. See you next time.